So, shall I show you how steam air fry meets steam cleaning? It really doesn't need a lot because it's not far off there anyway. Pop it back on and you can forget about it for a few cleans because you can get quite a lot out of one lot of max line there. So I'm just going to move it so you can see my air fryer, and then that's how dirty my air fryer is, and then that's what the basket looks like. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to add a tiny little bit of her fairy washing up liquid in. You don't want to add too much because you don't want to cause any issues with too many bubbles, and then pop it in, turn it on, and let me show you this a bit closer. Zone 2 of course, and then you're looking for the button up top there, press that. So then how it works is it steams first really, so it's just doing 100 Celsius for 20 minutes and then press start. So now it will beep at you, and then if you press start, it'll automatically go to 200 Celsius, that's 400 Fahrenheit in 5 minutes. And this is when it's kind of finishing off with a 5-minute air fry. So then press start, and that will mean that the cleaning's done in just 5 minutes. And we've beeped, or we are continuing to beep I should say now with this Philips air fryer. So, steam clean, any good? Shall we check? So first I'm going to turn it off because that beep gets on my nerves. And that is what it looks like. And you've got plenty of liquid in the bottom from where it's done its cleaning. So now we can take this over to the sink and I can show you just how much has come away in the bottom and how easy it is now to clean. Oh, there's no sausages left, they've all gone. Yeah. They're all gone. Yeah. Oh, no. So you can give it a rinse and then we can actually show you how the bottom of it actually goes. So let's open it up, shall we? So that's what's left, and let's see what it's like on a wipe. So as you can see, it just literally falls off because it's like you've steam cleaned it. So it's brilliant if you've got some really big bits that are stuck on and you're really struggling, or like you would normally, if you think of a pan when you needed to soak a pan, then it's just kind of like that. But if you've just got some crumbs in the bottom, or if you've done one portion of chips, I wouldn't bother. I would just clean it as normal. Or the base of the air fryer drawer looks now, and that is just how quickly and easy it is to clean. Like I say, if you've done something greasy, whole chicken, sausages, anything like that, great. But if it's just chips or breaded chicken, I wouldn't bother. Or if you've been naughty and you've not had a chance to clean your air fryer for a bit, then I would give it a once over. So what about the main basket then? So the main basket, again, a dab. There's really not much to it. It does a great job. And can you believe it? The first air fryer that cleans itself. Wow. It's like having a built-in dishwasher. But whatever you do, do not pour loads of water into the cooking pot and then just put it on an air fryer, because that's not what this does. This steams. It's only putting a little bit of liquid in the bottom itself. It's very, very dangerous. There's videos which teach you to add water and then air fry to clean it. You should never do that. But yeah, just like that. Can you believe that? That is how easy it is to clean the new Philips air fryer after some greasy sausages. So I must admit, I'm fancying using this all the time now. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck round to the end.
And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at KitchenGadgetsClub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.